Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing source clips, narration, and archival images into clearly labeled bins. This prevents chaos later. Once done, create a sequence that matches your primary footage's frame rate and aspect ratio so you avoid scaling artifacts. Make proxies if long archival files stutter. Use 1/2 resolution proxies to speed playback. Also set autosave to frequent intervals. These early decisions save time and preserve quality. They let you focus on editing story beats rather than fixing technical mismatch later. You assemble a rough cut by ordering scenes to create a clear arc. Lead with a hook, then context, then analysis. Use markers for key timestamps and create subclips for long interviews to speed searching. Place B-roll above the primary track so you can cut to visuals without losing sync. Once the structure sits, refine trims with J and L cuts to let audio bridge shots, and apply basic color correction and stabilization selectively to maintain visual cohesion across sources. You now balance and tighten, normalize narration levels, reduce background noise, and use keyframes to duck music under speech so clarity remains. Once mixed, export using the sequence settings or H.264 with target bitrate tuned for platform delivery. Double-check captions and metadata. If exports glitch, relink offline media, clear Premiere's media cache, or render problem clips individually, replacing them in the timeline if needed. These final steps secure a polished history video that plays reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.